Hello, welcome back. Welcome to my channel, Craft with Miriam. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share my videos. Today's video, I can't wait to share with you how I create an amazing decor piece that looks fabulous. We are going to be making a beautiful DIY project for spring decoration. I have been using this wood heart that I got from Dollar Tree, this calendar from Dollar Tree too. So it holds a lot of pictures. It holds beautiful pictures inside. I choose this one, trace hearts. I've been using this craft paper that I got from Michaels. I need these two pieces. I need this one and this one. I used it before, I want to use the rest today. What else? I've been using this paint, white, black, Mod Podge from Walmart. This pair lace I got from thrift store. Finger protector, I need them for glue gun. They are very useful. I need all these items from Dollar Tree. I have moss, flowers, leaves. Pine cone from my backyard. Some leaves from Dollar Tree too. Pom-pom lace, Dollar Tree, crate from Dollar Tree. This clump to hold two pieces while the glue dries. This glitter vase filler I needed for decoration from Dollar Tree. There's ribbons, I need pink and white. And this lace, my friend gave it to me, I like it. I need these paint sticks that I got from Lowe's. It comes 3 in a pack. I need only 2. I have these 2. I need these tower games. I need some of them, maybe 2 or 3. I got it from Dollar Tree too. Sticks. And this white foam, I didn't buy it. I have it at home, so I'm gonna use it today. As always, I hope you enjoy the show, so let's get started. And using these glue guns. So first, I painted the 2 big sticks with the white paint. I put 2 coats of white paint. When it dries, once my base color or white color is dry, I distress the woods with black paint to give it a natural look by adding a light coat of black. Now the 2 colors dry with the base color white and the light coat of black paint on the top effectively gives it a look of natural stained wood, like this. I like it. I covered my crate with this beautiful craft paper. I cut it into pieces, then I glue them with Mod Podge on my crate. So I cut the white foam to put inside the crate. I needed 2 pieces of this foam because it's not large enough to fit my crate. With my glue gun, I added moss to cover the top of the crate. Of course, I wore my protector finger. It helps a lot when I am using my glue gun, and it helps also when I press the moss. The beautiful part is when I'm adding these pretty flowers and leaves, I press them inside the foam. I'm adding this color glitter vase filler into my crate to add more colors and more details. So it's gonna be very cute. I glued these two long sticks on the back of the crate with my glue gun and used these two clamps to hold them. It worked. I painted this small stick with white paint to glue it on the top of this holder. I had a small stick that I colored white. I wanted to add it on the top of these two long sticks to hold my sign when I'm done to decorate it. Now it's time to decorate this big heart. First, I want to take off the ribbons that attach the pieces of the heart. I want to add my pink lace in the back instead of the ribbon. Now I'm tracing the big heart on the picture that I choose. After I cut the heart, I trace the pieces of the heart to cover them with the pieces of the picture, as you see in the video. Now I'm attaching these pieces of the heart with my pink lace and leaving a space between them. I added small sticks on the back so I can hold this heart easily. Look at this, it's gonna be very pretty. I added some white and pink beads with pearl lace. As you see, I glued the long pom-pom lace all around the hearts too. I'm cutting a heart with cardboard and cover it with this craft paper. To give a dimension and good look to this small heart, I glued a small wood block. It comes wonderful with 3D heart sticker and some small flowers. I love it. I added a piece of pink lace in the back that helps to hang it on my holder or the two long sticks. Then I added this black wool that I brought from Walmart all the way around to match it with the color of my crate because it was too much pinky. Look at this bow. It's easy to make it. I choose white, then pink. I glue first a small piece of small black ribbon to give a combination of colors. I'm so happy with the progress. Now I have a new piece of decor to accent my house for spring and the whole year. If you enjoyed today's video and have fun like me, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, and write some comments. Until my next video, make things and DIYs that makes you very happy. I will see you soon. Bye.